Wise do you want to receive money to your Wise card? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how. First, open the Wise app and sign in to your account. Keep in mind that you normally don't receive money directly to the card number. Instead, money is received into your Wise account, using the account details for the currency you want to receive. Open the relevant currency balance, then select Account Details to find the available details, such as your account number and routing information. Depending on the currency and your eligibility, share the correct details with the person or company sending you money. Once the transfer arrives, the money will appear in your Wise balance, and you can then use your Wise card to spend it wherever the card is supported. Follow Rapidguide for more simple Wise tutorials and money guides.